There you go. We'll start it. Yeah. Hello, everybody. There's the hair we're gonna cut today. We're gonna trim the beard and trim the hair. Make it nice.
It's gonna make me young and beautiful.
Something like that. All right. And it's unbelievable what nature is doing right now.
Yeah, it's crazy. How that wind.
Some of us are not happy with our rain, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Seems like we're getting more than
Usually it doesn't rain like that here. That rained hard.
Yeah, but comparing it to other places, I think we're doing good.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
I got a
despite
little
of all that rain, I don't know in other places, but I think in our area it seems to be just right because there's no flooding.
Yeah.
I have not heard any flooding.
Yeah, it's that wind that bothers me the most because that can do some damage.
Right, the wind.
Yeah, the wind. Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully this wind is not going to damage anything again. Because, it's weird in Southern California when Hillary storm.
Yeah.
Or Storm Hillary.
Yeah. Were you down there for that?
Yeah.
Wow.
They get too much, give them too much water and
too much water.
create flooding.
Yeah.
And then after that, too hot again.
Yeah. Too hot. Yeah.
It's weird, but hey, we don't know what the nature do. When he does his job, he does it. What can we do? Okay, folks, using 316 attachment. Yeah, sometimes this wind hurts those rodents and the hillside.
Gotta keep the power on.
Yeah.
You know, trees falling down.
Yeah, there was, I forgot what year that was, our trees up front
Oh, you lost them?
were not able to stand. So sometimes I was thinking, trees next to the house is nice, but sometimes it's not.
I love trees but in the forest, not next to the house.
Right. Because even snow, this house here, there used to be a big spruce in front, and it fall on the roof.
Yeah, it can happen.
And I think that's unnecessary work.
Yep.
You know?
Yep.
Yeah, it was nice, and then oops, not anymore.
You got to watch those spruce because they've been dying around town, and then they're call those widowmakers. Get a good wind, they drop on somebody.
Yes, your vehicle.
Yeah, or your vehicle, or your
I've
house.
seen that in Rossberry.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, a nice truck with a big spruce on it.
Yep. Yeah, it's a real danger.
Yeah, and really or not,
Yep, it's coming down.
You have to fix that. Unnecessary burden. So I said, trees next to the house. Remember, they even told us after the wildfire in Big Lake.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They said, "Hey, from now on, you need to clear your house surroundings,
Yep.
like 200 feet.
Yep. Get rid of that fuel.
So you know, if we cannot respond right away, you're okay." You know, and some of these rich people, they go over there where it's hard to reach them. And then when they run into wildfire, "Oh, you didn't help me." Yeah, it's hard.
Right.
We tried, but you're so far away.
You got to help yourself.
That's
Got to be able to help yourself first.
So, and I was thinking, they were saying expensive, huh? Maybe having a sprinkler also in and out to the house.
Yeah.
Probably nice. Because even if it's not windy, if the big fire comes out, for some reason, maybe the heat makes the the fire fly away, and then we don't know where it goes. If it goes to your roof, it might burn your house too. But if you have a sprinkler built in, turn it on.
Yep.
Maybe it helps. Yes. Yeah, we're doing it on our commercial building, business building, but I think it's nice for other buildings also.
Definitely.
Easier to just turn it on. Oops. Did I drop
It's on the floor in front of me.
Did I drop my...
It's It's right in front of me here.
Yeah, sorry about that.
That's okay.
It's supposed to prevent the worm. Did I burn your skin?
Nope.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Wow. Yep. Having a mustache that is nice.
Hard to trim that yourself.
When you feel good, makes you feel healthier, I think.
Absolutely.
And that's why the Egyptian, you were the first. Their dentist becomes their barber also. That's why the chair is pretty much the same. I didn't know that. Yeah, we've seen the ponytail, you know, the Cleopatra.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. We were the only one. Then the world followed. Okay, let's see what we got here.
That bald spot's getting bigger.
I gotta make this a little shorter.
Maybe next time I'll have you just cut it all off.
Oh, really?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet or not, you know, but the bald head look, the Mr. Clean look.
Mm-hmm.
I like a little hair. I have an ugly head, so I like a little hair.
Nah. To me, hey, we have our own. You know, and you said God never make mistake. See that?
Looks good.
He's always good.
Uh-huh.
Always good. That's why, you know, those young ones are starting to, they're gray, showing up.
Uh-huh. Yep.
But, you know, instead of letting it grow, they put on colors, all kinds.
Yeah. Well.
Hey, you guys seems like no better than God. Oh no, oh no, not at all. Well, God wants you to have gray hair. Ah, you laugh, you laugh. My wife. Oh, you're like Adam. blaming on Eve. That's just like blaming God again. You didn't give me Eve. I didn't commit sin. It's your fault, God. Yeah. But God never made mistakes. Yeah. Just in case I disturb your lips. A little wrong. Hopefully it does what it say.
Growth oil, huh?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yes, yeah.
We'll see.
They can tell us just like the
No overnight.
Rogaine thing.
Yeah, no overnight success, huh?
You're right. No overnight.
No promises.
So, used to be prescription only. Now over the counter.
Yeah.
So. All right, we the cover.
All right. Looking good. Except for that big bald spot.
It's getting thin, that's all, but I think there's still a few in there.
A few in there. All right. We'll see if they grow up.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Remember, that's what it said?
Yep, hopefully.
Yeah. All right, folks, this is the trim we did. Medium, high, tapered. Thank you for watching.